Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? A glimpse of what I'm gonna say in my IGTV about the struggles of my online marketing, uh, of my online journey. Uh, I had somebody tell me, "Oh, I don't build my brand because all my followers are about music," and I said to myself, and as I reflect now, I think that's a whole bunch of bullshit because all my sales and all my leads come from online. And I've been at the same following for 2 years. I've been at 10,000 followers for about 2 years. Now, I know how to solve this thinking about it today, but I thought to myself that what if I had the same excuse he had? Would I made the money that would I made the money as far as I am today?